Yes, of course, there's much more to see and do with us. Each school has a student facilitator who is organizing activities and excursions for our students to get in touch with the people, the culture, and of course to see the country. In Santo Domingo, there are activities to go out together for dinner, dancing, or to a concert. And other activities in the afternoon, for example, to see the old town of the city called Zona Colonial, or to go, for example, to the nature park Los Tres Ojos, or other museums. And on the weekend, we spend a day on the beach, or we go into the salt mines of San Cristobal. Sunday nights, there is music and dancing at Las Ruinas de San Francisco, and people come together to see their friends, to their family, they drink together, they eat together, and listen to music, dance, and have a lot of fun. It's a great place to meet new people. Besides that, our teachers take the students to so-called salida pedagógicas, and it's an educational field trip. For example, to go to the mercado so the students can practice their Spanish from class right on the street. And not to forget the famous pareados, barbecues at our school on Thursdays nights together with the German language students in Santo Domingo. In Sosua, there are plenty of opportunities to go on excursions and be active, like horseback riding on the countryside or at the beach, or visiting the caves of Cabarete, taking the cable car up to the mountain Isabel de Torres, and then visit the George's old town of Puerto Plata, or go cascading in the 27 waterfall, Charcos of Imbert it's called, and learn how to surf or go scuba diving. Also dance classes and garden parties at the school, playing beach volleyball, or enjoying a freshly cooked local meal during our welcome dinner every Monday. And of course we have day trips to Punta Rusia or Playa Grande, Laguna Dudu, or a weekend trip to Samana during the whale watching season. And of course every Thursday and Saturday we go out to improve our dance skills with the students, and the students are most welcome to join some activities with us. Of course, some activities are free and some carry costs. It depends on the excursion, and both IIC teams are also more than happy to help with information if the student wants to go and discover the country for their own.